or the business objectives as what we call. And then we've got the other type or other category of requirements called stakeholder requirements. So here, it's not the business as a whole that is trying to say that this is what I need, but rather it's the needs of individual stakeholder or a collective set of stakeholders that would help achieve the business requirement. So basically that is what we call as a stakeholder requirement. So in the context of, for example, we were talking about the customer loyalty and things. So there, one of the stakeholder needs or stakeholder requirement could be that the marketing department wants the mobile app to be connected to the enterprise application they have on the web, so that they can try and understand the usage of these customers. So that is basically a stakeholder requirement. And that stakeholder is actually linked to the marketing, the CMO, the chief marketing officer, and the entire marketing department. They're trying to leverage on the existing base, user base, existing customer base, and they would like to link the mobile app usage with that of the enterprise app so that they don't have to reinvent the wheel. Instead, they would like to actually understand how many of the existing customers who already are using the enterprise web app would be also using the mobile app. So that means that we're trying to leverage the existing systems. We're trying to help retain the existing customer base. We're trying to provide them with more options. That means more satisfied customers, more loyalty, and more business, more income. So that in a sense is basically what we call a stakeholder need. In this case, the stakeholder need is that of the marketing department's need of having this kind of a link with the existing web app. And the stakeholder requirements could be, again, in the context of products, the processes, the business, customers and users, different contexts, different ways of looking at it, different planes and different dimensions. So it could be in the context of technology implementation. The CTO could have one way, the technology team, the infrastructure team could actually propose to use, for example, a cloud to get the data from, because they don't want to have different databases, one for the mobile app, one for the web app, one for the enterprise app. Instead of that, they want to actually have one unified repository where they have got all the information. So potentially they've got the entire CRM, the customer relationship management data, residing in one repository. And then whoever is trying to create an app or an application would actually be referring to that same data. So you don't have to recreate the data, 100 different databases. So the technology team would have that kind of a stakeholder requirement there to have a single repository to be used. So that's the technology stakeholders requirements. We have already seen the marketing stakeholder. Similarly, for example, the product manager and product team would have another requirement to actually say that this mobile app needs to be aligned to the development of the web application, for example, right? So they want to have this kind of a release management. Don't release the mobile app till the web application is released, or vice versa. They want to see that, for example, because mobile application has got more popularity and more potential to reach multiple people, because a lot of people have got mobile phones now. Penetration is more mobile phones. So they might actually say that, you know what, let's try and launch this mobile app first, and then we will talk about the web application later, because they won't actually follow the strategy of mobile first, because everybody is now thinking and working mobile first strategy. Let's launch this. So in terms of the release management of the products, the product management team might actually say that let's have this release of this one first and then the web app. So that's the product management stakeholder requirement. So that stakeholder is different, and their requirement is different from that of the technology, whose requirement is again different from that of the marketing. So each of these are different stakeholders and different needs and different goals.